GrabPay cashless payment? Activate your account now. A tutorial video for beginners. Watch this.
Hi guys, this is Earning TV channel. So ang topic natin today is about Grab Pay. Lalagyan po natin ng information or i-verify natin ang aking Grab Pay account. So try natin i-activate. So click mo ang Grab. So kung wala ka pang Grab, mag-download ka na rin sa Play Store or sa App Store para magkaroon ka ng icon sa cellphone mo. So ang Grab, nandito tayo nag-order ng food, car, eto ng Mart, Express Load, Pabili, Load, Bills, and other offers nila, mga shopping, insurance, gift, marami pang iba, no? Pero, gagawin po natin sa ating payment, gagawin po natin siyang cashless payment. So, minsan kasi gusto mong umorder, ipapadeliver mo siya sa ibang place. So, babayaran mo siya cash on delivery. Pero, once na meron kang Grab Pay, pwede kang magpa-deliver kahit saang lugar, address. Babayaran mo yung transaction mo dito sa ating Grab Pay cashless payment. So, i-verify natin yung account natin. So, try na natin hanapin. So, dito sa payment, makikita natin dito yung activation niya. So, as you can see, nandiyan ang Grab Pay wallet na 00. So, kailangan muna natin siyang i-activate para magkaroon tayo ng cashless payment and makabil tayo ng mga Grab rewards. So, try po natin i-click ang activate your Grab Pay. So, yan. Ito yung mga details na need mong i-input. For example, ayan, yung pangalan mo, and then nationality mo, place of birth, date of birth, and your local address. And after that, isa-submit mo na. So, ayan. Once na na-double check mo, i-next mo na yan. Submit. So guys, after mong mai-input ang iyong information, mga information details, ito ang lalabas sa'yo.
Congrats! You can now use your GrabPay standard wallet and get rewarded. Earn points when you use GrabPay. Everyday convenience, pay your bills and buy load from your app. So, ito na. Meron na tayo ditong cash in, more savings, enjoy exclusive deals and promos. So, once okay na, nandito na tayo sa ating cash in, magpaproceed tayo dito para malagyan ng laman.
So, pwede pala natin siyang i-link yung ating bank details. And then, magkakaroon ka ng seamless cash in when you link your bank account. And meron tayong all cash in method like e-wallet with InstaPay, cash in from your GCash or Maya app. And then meron tayong online banking with InstaPay. Go to your bank app or website to cash in. Link your bank account. And then your card, use Visa, MasterCard, and more. In-store, cash in mo sa 7-Eleven at SM Business Center. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng additional information on how to activate your Grab Pay wallet para sa easy transaction. Gamit po ang Grab Pay application. So, once na nag-order ka, ginamit mo ang feature ng Grab, magagamit po natin ang ating cashless payment na Grab Pay wallet. So, guys, this is Earning TV. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng additional information and tip and tricks kung paano gamitin ang Grab Pay at i-activate. So, guys, thank you for watching and have a good day po. And bye!